Okay, it's November, I think it's the 28th. And there is Mr. Jolly, who's usually very vocal, and was right before I turned on the camera. Oh, yeah, there he goes. Jolly! And he gets everybody else going. There's, okay, that's Christmas Berry. Oh, goodness. They're singing. There's Holly in the middle going, what are y'all making all that noise about? Now they get her started too. Oh goodness, look at those babies. Oh my goodness, they a mess. They a mess. You get someplace safe? Huh? Sweet babies. Say Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas.